Hello guys, welcome to DelphStack Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to add music to your Discord server. First, go to your main server where you want to add music. On the top left corner, click on your server name. From the menu, click on App Directory. The App Directory page will open, then search for Greenbot. Several options will appear. Select the first one and click Add App. Choose Add to Server, confirm your server selection, and click Continue. Select your server and click Authorize to proceed. Complete the CAPTCHA verification to finish adding the bot. After that, return to your server and you will see a new chat channel created. Now join a voice channel and select it. Type the play command in the chat. Enter the name of the song you want to play. For example, type Lovely by Billie Eilish. The bot will start playing the song in the voice channel. That's how you can add music to your Discord server. If this video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching.